Ever considered that your mindset could be the secret weapon in your weight loss journey? It's time to explore a new perspective: the power of gratitude. This isn't just about saying thank you. It's a mindset that could reshape your daily choices. Think about it. When we're positive, don't we tend to make healthier decisions? We're talking about choices related to diet, exercise, and overall lifestyle. An intriguing thought experiment. So let's dive into the science behind this powerful mindset. Gratitude isn't just a feel-good emotion. It has tangible effects on the brain. Dive into the world of neuroscience and you'll discover that gratitude has a substantial seat at the table. You see, when we express gratitude, our brain releases dopamine and serotonin, two crucial neurotransmitters responsible for our emotions. They're often referred to as the feel-good hormones, and they enhance our mood immediately, making us feel happy from the inside. Think of them as the brain's natural antidepressants. When you express gratitude and receive the same, your brain understands that something good has happened and that it should feel happy. Thus, the brain releases dopamine and serotonin to make you experience these feelings of joy and happiness. But let's not stop there. The fascinating part is that these neurotransmitters aren't just about making you feel good. They're also the catalyst for a chain reaction in your body that promotes overall health and well-being. In fact, scientists have found that these neurotransmitters can boost your immune system, lower blood pressure, and even improve sleep. All of these factors play a crucial role in weight loss. How? When your body is functioning optimally, it's easier to shed those extra pounds. You have more energy to exercise, you're less likely to overeat due to stress, and you're more likely to get a good night's sleep, which is essential for weight loss. Moreover, the effects of gratitude on the brain extend well beyond the release of these neurotransmitters. Studies have shown that regular practice of gratitude can actually change the molecular structure of the brain, keeping the gray matter functioning and making us healthier and happier. So, you see, the power of gratitude is not just about a shift in your mindset. It's about a shift in your brain chemistry. It's about starting a positive chain reaction in your body that supports your weight loss journey. And when you're feeling good, you're more likely to make healthier choices, right? Ever noticed how stress sends you straight to the snack cupboard? It's not just you. There's a scientific connection between stress and weight gain. When your stress levels shoot up, your body responds by producing more cortisol, the so-called stress hormone. This hormone isn't just responsible for those feelings of tension and unease, it also cranks up your appetite, making you crave sugary, fatty foods. Now, imagine a tool that could help manage stress and lower cortisol levels. No, it's not some fancy, expensive gadget. It's something we all have access to, and it's free. It's gratitude. That's right. Gratitude isn't just for Thanksgiving. Studies have shown that practicing gratitude can actually reduce cortisol levels in the body by nearly 25%. When we focus on what we're thankful for, our brain releases feel-good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. These chemicals help us feel happier, more relaxed, and less likely to reach for that bag of chips or box of cookies. Being grateful also helps us shift our perspective from what's wrong to what's right, from what we lack to what we have. This mental shift can be powerful in managing stress. Think about it. When you're focusing on the positive, there's less room for negative thoughts and feelings that can trigger stress and emotional eating. And the best part? Practicing gratitude doesn't require a gym membership or a pantry full of organic foods. It can be as simple as jotting down 3 things you're thankful for every day, or taking a moment each morning to appreciate something about your body. So the next time you're feeling stressed and find yourself reaching for a snack, try reaching for gratitude instead. You might just find that it's the most delicious treat of all. Less stress, less emotional eating. It's that simple. Ever struggled with the temptation of that extra slice of cake? The power of gratitude might just be the secret to bolstering your self-control, particularly when it comes to dietary choices. Let's delve into the science behind this fascinating connection. Research from Northeastern University found that individuals who felt grateful demonstrated more patience and self-control. In the study, participants were given a choice between receiving a small amount of money immediately or a larger amount at a later date. Those who were induced to feel grateful were more likely to wait for the larger sum, showing an increased ability to delay gratification. Now replace that money with food, and you can see how gratitude could help you resist that second helping or sugary treat. Another study from the University of California, Davis, showed that practicing gratitude can help you make healthier food choices. Participants who kept a gratitude journal for 10 weeks reported fewer instances of overeating and more motivation to exercise. This suggests that gratitude can not only help us resist unhealthy food temptations, but can also encourage us to adopt healthier habits overall. But why does gratitude have this effect? Well, it's all about shifting our focus. Gratitude helps us appreciate what we already have, reducing our desire for instant gratification. Instead of focusing on the short-term pleasure of that extra slice of cake, gratitude encourages us to consider our long-term health goals. Now you might be thinking, that's great, but how do I cultivate gratitude? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Start by keeping a daily gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. They don't have to be big things. Maybe it's a sunny day, a good book, or a delicious, healthy meal. In the end, gratitude is about more than just saying thank you. It's a powerful tool that can help us make better choices and live healthier lives. So the next time you're faced with a dietary temptation, try tapping into your sense of gratitude. You might just find it easier to say no. So, gratitude could be your secret weapon in the battle against the bulge. But don't just take it from the scientists. Here's a personal story. Once upon a time, I was a donut connoisseur. I mean, who could resist those delicious circles of joy? The glaze, the sprinkles, the cream-filled goodness. It was all just too tempting. But then, my waistline started to expand and my clothes began to feel snug. The scale was also becoming my arch nemesis, showing numbers that I hadn't seen since my college days. I knew something had to change. So I started my weight loss journey. But instead of focusing on the things I couldn't have, like my beloved donuts, I decided to focus on what I could have. I started expressing gratitude for the nutritious and delicious foods that were helping me get healthier. I expressed thanks for the fresh fruits and veggies, the protein-packed legumes, and yes, even the kale for nourishing my body. At first, it felt a little silly. I mean, who is really that thankful for a carrot? But then, something strange started to happen. The more I expressed gratitude, the less I craved the donuts. It was like my brain was rewiring itself. I was enjoying my healthy meals, and the weight was starting to come off. And then I had a moment of truth. I was at a party, and there was a donut tower. Yes, an actual tower of donuts. What mad genius thought that up? The old me would have been in donut heaven, but the new me, I walked right past it. I didn't even feel a pang of longing. I was content and happy with my plate of veggies and hummus. A donut lover turned vegetable enthusiast, all thanks to the power of gratitude. And let me tell you, if I can be thankful for a carrot and pass up a donut tower, I believe anyone can. It's not about denying ourselves the things we love. It's about finding new things to love and being grateful for them. It's about changing perspective and focusing on the positives, the healthful. If gratitude helped me and changed me, I believe it can certainly help you too. The Bible is chock full of the gratefulness model. Let's journey back in time for a moment to a verse that resonates across millennia. Thessalonians 5 verse 18 tells us, "In everything give thanks, for this is the will of God." Now, isn't that something? The essence of this verse is simple, yet profound. It encourages us to find gratitude in every situation, no matter the circumstances. It's not about being thankful for the troubles, but rather, it's about finding something to be thankful for amidst the challenges. Now let's bring this ancient wisdom into the context of our modern weight loss efforts. Imagine you've set a goal to lose 20 pounds. You've been working out diligently, eating healthily, but the scale just isn't budging. It's easy to get frustrated, isn't it? But what if instead of focusing on the scale, you shift your perspective? What if you give thanks for the ability to move your body, for the nutritious food you're able to eat, or for the simple fact that you're taking steps to improve your health? That's the power of gratitude. The Bible was onto something here. It's not just about saying thank you for the good times, but also finding something to be grateful for during the tough times. It's this perspective shift that can make all the difference in your weight loss journey. Science backs this up too. Studies have shown that practicing gratitude can help reduce stress and increase self-control, both vital elements in a successful weight loss journey. So it seems that this ancient wisdom still holds true today. Gratitude isn't just a passing trend, it's timeless wisdom. It's a tool that's been around for thousands of years, used by countless individuals to navigate through life's ups and downs. And it can be a powerful ally in your weight loss journey too. So, why not give it a try? So, are you ready to harness the power of gratitude? Let's take this journey together, diving headfirst into a 30-day gratitude challenge that can change not just our waistlines, but our lives. Let's start with the basics. Each morning, before your feet hit the floor, take a moment to express gratitude for the day ahead. It can be as simple as being thankful for the sun shining through your window or the roof over your head. This sets a positive tone for the day, and research shows that positivity can boost metabolism, aiding in weight loss. Now let's add a twist. Each night, before you close your eyes, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. These could be achievements from your day, interactions with loved ones, or even the healthy meal you cooked for dinner. This reflection helps to reinforce the positive feelings of gratitude, and studies suggest that it can help reduce late-night snacking, a common pitfall for many on their weight loss journey. But remember, it's not just about the big things. Gratitude can be found in the smallest of moments. Maybe it's the taste of your morning coffee, the sound of your favorite song, or the feeling of a good stretch after a long day. It's these little moments that add up to a big shift in perspective. And let's not forget about movement. Every time you exercise, take a moment to appreciate your body's strength and resilience. This can help foster a positive body image, which is a crucial factor in maintaining weight loss. Finally, share your journey. Talking about your gratitude challenge with others can create a supportive community, making the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. So, there you have it. A 30-day gratitude challenge that's not just about losing weight, but gaining a more positive and appreciative outlook on life. It won't always be easy, but remember, change is a process, not an event. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with that first movement forward. So take that first step towards gratitude today. What could you give thanks for? Before we say goodbye, here's a little something extra for sticking around. Take a moment each day to jot down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple practice can refocus your mind on positive aspects and help control cravings. If you'd like, subscribe and share your experiences in the comments. There is much more to come, and your story could inspire someone else on their path. Until next time, remember, we are thankful for you.